Water, the elixir of life, courses through our veins, a fundamental component of our very existence. From the towering redwoods to the smallest microorganisms, all living things depend on this remarkable substance. It is the lifeblood of our planet, covering over 70% of its surface and playing a pivotal role in regulating global climate. But what makes water so crucial to life, particularly within the intricate machinery of the human body? Its ability to dissolve more substances than any other liquid makes it an unparalleled solvent, transporting nutrients, oxygen, and waste products throughout our bodies. Water's high heat capacity enables it to absorb and release heat slowly, acting as a temperature regulator and preventing drastic fluctuations within our cells. Furthermore, water participates in countless biochemical reactions from digestion to cellular respiration, ensuring the smooth functioning of our intricate biological processes. Without water, life as we know it would cease to exist. In essence, water is the very essence of life, a precious resource that we must cherish and conserve. Imagine the human body as a grand orchestra, with each organ playing a vital role in maintaining harmony. Water, in this analogy, acts as the conductor, ensuring that every instrument is perfectly tuned and synchronized. It flows through our bodies, lubricating joints, transporting nutrients, regulating temperature, and facilitating countless other essential functions. Our brains, the command centers of our bodies, are particularly reliant on water. Composed of approximately 80% water, the brain requires a constant supply to function optimally. Water acts as a shock absorber, protecting this delicate organ from impact. Moving down the body, we encounter the lungs, responsible for the vital exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. With a water content of around 83%, the lungs rely on water to maintain their elasticity and facilitate efficient breathing. Water helps to maintain blood volume and pressure, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell. Despite water's vital importance, many of us often find ourselves falling short of the recommended daily intake. Dehydration can creep up on us, leading to a cascade of unpleasant symptoms and potentially impacting our health. When we become dehydrated, our bodies sound the alarm bells, triggering a series of physiological responses to conserve water. Urine becomes darker and less frequent as the kidneys work to retain precious fluids. Our mouths feel dry, and we experience an insatiable thirst, a clear signal from our bodies that we need to rehydrate. As water levels dwindle, our blood volume decreases, making it harder for the heart to pump blood efficiently. This can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and lightheadedness, particularly upon standing. The brain, highly sensitive to changes in hydration status, bears the brunt of dehydration's impact. Even mild dehydration can lead to headaches, irritability, and difficulty focusing. Just as dehydration can wreak havoc on our bodies, overhydration, while less common, presents its own set of risks. This occurs when we consume water faster than our bodies can process and eliminate it, leading to a dilution of electrolytes in the bloodstream. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and chloride are essential minerals that play crucial roles in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. When electrolyte levels become imbalanced due to excessive water intake, it can disrupt these vital processes, leading to a condition known as hyponatremia. Symptoms of hyponatremia can range from mild, such as nausea, vomiting, and headache, to severe, including confusion, seizures, coma, and even death in extreme cases. The key to maintaining optimal hydration lies in finding the right balance between water intake and loss. Beyond its immediate effects on our physical and cognitive function, maintaining optimal hydration throughout our lives offers a myriad of long-term health benefits. Studies have linked adequate water intake to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even certain types of cancer. By maintaining adequate hydration, we support the kidneys in their crucial filtration process, preventing the buildup of toxins that can contribute to disease. Water also helps to lubricate joints, reducing friction and wear and tear, potentially lowering the risk of osteoarthritis later in life. Furthermore, water plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Incorporating water-rich fruits and vegetables into our diets can further enhance our hydration efforts. Fruits like watermelon, strawberries and cantaloupe, and vegetables like cucumbers, spinach and celery boast high water content while providing essential vitamins, minerals and fiber. By understanding the crucial roles water plays in our bodies and making conscious choices to maintain optimal hydration, we can ensure a healthier, more vibrant life for years to come.